when I come here, one rice is not enough for me, so I will order one more. How yummy it has to be, right? A lot of takeaways. It's my second already. But
Are you gonna have the third one?
maybe because
Oh,
I still have
no.
some
Oh no.
Nowadays, friends from Thailand post 2 or 3 shots videos in TikTok and Instagram each day. The content that suit well in short form videos like my favorite coffee place and quick food review. We even summarize 10-minute video into one. If you have Instagram or TikTok, be sure to follow us there as well.
Welcome back to Friends from Thailand, and right now it's about lunchtime, and while I was busy working, I told Kishon that I want to eat Khao Kha Mu because I saw a guy eating Khao Kha Mu on TikTok. So he's bringing me to a place that he said it's very nice. He wants me to try. What is it called?
It's called Khao Kha Mu Bangwa. But, right? Bangwa is the area. You can easily coming here to MRT Pekasem 48, right by the entrance or exit number 2, I believe, right? Just right in front. This is my favorite Khao Kha Mu, right? Stew pork on top of the rice. I would say this should be my top 3 in the list. Before we showing you the food, show you a little bit of how this local Khao Kha Mu looks like. Okay, if you can notice, not a lot of tourists. In fact, none of them. We're filming this on the Chinese New Year, ใช่ปะ
That's why there's a lot of orders and takeaways.
Yes.
And I asked the lady, because now she said they're running out of pork leg, but they're bringing new ones. Yeah, I think that's one.
I think this should be the owner, right? Because I saw his picture all over the wall. I think the guy here Khao Kha Mu should be your consideration, right, when you're coming to Thailand, because this is an easy one dish meal for you to try. We are about to order the food, right? But so far we see only Thai menu. I'm going to ask if they have English menu for you guys. นั่นนะครับพี่มีเมนูภาษาอังกฤษนะฮะ The owner say no, right? But actually it's very simple. You can just tell them with or without skin ข้าวขาหมูใช่ไหม
Starting from 65.
What are you going to get them?
Original Khao Kha Mu, but a lot of skin, more than meat. I like the skin.
Okay, so we're going to order one bowl each, okay, and rice. เอาข้าวขาหมูจานใหญ่เอาข้าวขาหมูต้มเค็มจานใหญ่แล้วกันนะครับ เอาหนังเยอะเนื้อน้อย เอาผักกาดดองป่ะผักกาดดองไม่เยอะมากครับข้าว3ใช่ครับแล้วก็ไข่พะโล้2 ฟอง Alright, the food has arrived. We have to wait for the main highlight, right, which is the pork leg itself.
And we should order the big plate, which costs 240. Let's see how big it is, and are we gonna finish it or not? And this is a plate that we got for 240. It's a lot. It's very heavy. And you guys, this is the best part of Khao Kha Mu, which is the skin with some fat. It just like it's melts into your mouth. But some people don't really like to eat it because they say it's too much fat. But me and Kishon, I think we are fans of the skin, right?
Yes. So we order a lot of skin. So หนังเยอะๆ okay?
So before I eat, I'm gonna give you guys an idea of what Khao Kha Mu is in case you guys don't know. So it's pork leg stewed in like a herb base with its Chinese herbs and cinnamons and star anise, and they stew it until like the meat can melt into your mouth. It gets so tender, and the sauce that you see around here is broth, which they use to stew the pork leg. They also put it in the egg.
It is hard-boiled eggs. One
Yeah.
thing is that it goes well with rice and Khao Kha Mu, right? If you're comparing the eggs in another dish in Thai menu, right? This one is super hard because they want it to be firm.
But let me tell you the truth.
Huh?
I don't really like eggs like this, so normally when I eat khao kha mu, I don't order the eggs. Yeah. Because it's quite like hard. Maybe some of you guys won't like it, but which of you like it? Okay. And they also give you pickled cabbage with it because it really goes good with the pork leg because the pork leg is quite sweet and salty, so you need something a little bit sour to cover it up, but if you eat it all together, it gives you a nice balance.
And if you come with namjim, right? Different places have their own recipe of namjim. This one is vinegar with some yellow chili.
But if you guys like to eat spicy, some places also give like the little chilies, but I don't see here. Maybe we have that.
And I add chili powder and sugar on it, right?
And you guys, the meat, they just break apart and oh, the taste is so
So they stew it for quite long time, right? Therefore, the pork leg is tender. And of course, right, the skin here. If we're not afraid of we getting a big belly, we would have this every day. Different Khao Kha Mu place have different way of making the pork itself. The highlight would be this palo, right, or the stock that come out from the pork leg and all the Chinese and Thai herb. Different places have different way of cooking it. This place is a little bit salty, right, but in a perfect balance. And it go well. Okay? If you just put that and it go well, right? If you just put the stock on top of your rice, this spoon is basically going to melt in your mouth. When I come here, one rice is not enough for me, so I will order one more. Bam, you want another one? No? You have to trust me, okay? This Bangwa is in another side of the river. Not far from Icon Siam, I would say, right? But if you want to expose something new, right, just come. Because the BTS entrance and exit, my bad, MRT is just here. Now let me walk and ask for more rice. เฮียครับ เอาเนื้อหนังจานเล็กอีกที่หนึ่งครับ หนังเยอะ แล้วก็ขอข้าวเพิ่มอีกหนึ่งที่ครับ
ข้าวเปล่าหนึ่ง
ครับผม While I'm waiting for my food, right, I show you what other locals order. You can order kaki as well, right? That's pork knuckle, right? Hope I pronounce it right. Can you eat this every day?
No, that's not a good idea. Because if you like to eat skin, then no.
Yeah. In fact, I just ordered the second one. But I asked them a lot of skin.
Maybe you guys are wondering what the sauce is. So the sauce is called halo, which is like a herb-based soup. But they use corn sugar, they use oyster sauce, soy sauce, and everything like that, and mix it all together. Put cinnamon and star anise, and it gives you like the aroma smell of the pork, which is very nice. So very good together. let me show you how to mix the dipping sauce in a local way. So this is vinegar with chili. Some people like to eat it just like this, but we like
Pichon.
to,
Yeah.
just pichon. I'm mixing it for him. So he likes it with a little bit of chili and sugar on top.
Oh, that's a little bit too much.
Okay, sorry. And then you mix it up.
You can actually taste it first. Yeah, okay. The reason that I don't make a lot of food videos now these days because when I'm taking you guys to all my good food, I tend to eat a lot. This is my second already, but it's worth it.
So while Rishon is eating, I'm gonna give you guys an honest review and talk about the Khao Kha Mu that I just ate. So it's my first time. I think that I really like this place because it's just so juicy and you get like the richness of the broth. And sometimes if I'm unlucky or I don't find a good place, the meat is gonna be hard. It's not this juicy, but this one you get the richness of the taste. It's worth it coming over town to eat this place. So everyone's finished eating, but Pishon's still having fun with his Khao Kha Mu. And this is his second plate of rice. Are you gonna have the third one?
Maybe because I
Oh,
still have
oh
some
no.
hot.
Oh no.
Alright, this is supposed to be super quick food recommendation. Just out here having lunch. So I recommend one of the dish that you should try, which is Khao Kha Mu. And of course, one of my favorites here in Bangkok. Right? Let me know what type of Thai food you're looking for in the comment below. So I will show you more videos. Okay, I only eat good food. Hope you like this video, right? Bam saying it's extremely delicious.
It's gonna be on my favorite list from
Khao
now
Kha
on.
Mu Bangwa, alright? Everything, I will put some Google map and details in the description down below, right? My name is Chon, and this is Bam Bam. Think of us as your local Thai friends who will bring you a better experience when you coming here to our country. Bye bye for now.
Bye-bye.